This is the second room they offered me, okay? Look. See the door? 15 minutes the maintenance guy tried to open. Can't even open the door. This door does not even open. It doesn't open hard. It does not open at all. Oh, notice? Beautiful chair. Wow. The room is like beautiful. It's complete. Look, there's even a chair for the desk. Okay, and guess what? AC does not work. 2 rooms in a row. Stick my hand up there. Oh yeah, that's actually working. Wow, I'm amazed. Okay, so the aircon and the hot water works. There's no desk. The door does not open. 140, 130 US dollars a night for this. There you go.